Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from MT4 Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome in today's video. What do you see here in the image is a backtesting of an expert advisor, and this is what I want to show you in this video: how to backtest your expert advisors and indicators. Because you know lately that I gave you a lot of indicators, free indicators through my YouTube channels. You are able to download those indicators, and I feel somehow guilty that because maybe not all the indicators are working perfectly, or maybe some of them are not working very well. So I will show you how to backtest these indicators, and also how you can see if an indicator it is repeating or not. So stay here until the end of this video to see what's all about. And also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. All right, so that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, guys. So as you can see here, I am testing an indicator. Is that $500 indicator now for free, Fibonacci scalper. And as you can see here, in this moment now we are running a back test. And as you can see right here, we have this cell. We have a cell on this indicator. All right, and let's have a look here. How much profit we could make if we put here a sell. And as you can see here, 38 pips. Again, here we have a buy, as you can see. And the first thing first that I want to show you is that how to recognize if an indicator is an repaint indicator or a non-repaint indicator. And that's that you will see when an indicators, when the signal occurs here on the chart. And let me make it a little bigger. And if the signal will automatically disappear on the back test if the chart is going against us, if it's going against the signal. So as you can see here, we have a sell, and if the price would go up rather than down, which the signal is showing, as you can see, if it's a red quarter here, that means it is a sell, then this signal would disappear right away. Okay, so let me show. As you can see, no signal appears here and disappears, so that means this is a non-repaint indicator. I will show you right now how to exactly run a back test. So you have to go here on this icon, as you can see here, this strategy tester. Click on it, and you will have this pop-up window here. And from here you will choose what to test: an indicator or an expert advisor. So you saw earlier how to recognize an repaint non-repaint indicator. And let's try now an expert advisor. And let's click here on let's choose from here. As you can see, this drop down list, you can choose an expert advisor, and I will choose Wall Street Forex Robot. All right, because I'm using it for a long time. Let's put here the date. Let's put it from October, November, November the 1st till today. We are on 4th of February. All right, from here you will choose which currency pair you want to test, and let's leave it like that. Let's leave it no, let's put a New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I want to see what was happening on New Zealand dollar, US dollar. choose the time frame here, choose H1, because this is the time frame that they recommend to use this expert advisor. Use to date visual mode here. If you are using this visual mode, it will take more time in order to test. So the best way to test an indicator on an expert advisor is to uncheck this visual mode. You will not see this chart here, but for the purpose of this video I will leave it like this. And from here you choose the period, you choose the spread, let's leave it current. Here you can change the expert properties, but I want to test it with their properties, symbol properties. Here we will click on open chart, and here we can modify the expert. If you want to modify it, it will take you, if you have the source code of an expert advisor, it will take you to MQL4, and there you will be able to modify the expert advisor however you wish. And let's go ahead and let's click on start button. This is all you need to do in order to test the indicator. Let's put this on, so we should wait a bit more. And that's it. It was very fast. So let's click on the results here, and we started with a balance of $10,000, and we have 2 winning trades and 1 loss. So let's click here on the settings, and let's put here a longer period. Let's put it from 2020 to date, January 2020. Let's put here on open price only, fastest way. Let's put it on every tick. You know, every tick, the most precise method based on all available list time frames to generate each tick. And let's switch here again to February 2022, and let's click on start. Alright, let's try it on AUD USD. Let's go ahead and I will open again the expert advisors. Let's go to settings. Let's go to AUD USD. Alright, here we go. Let's put it on H1. It's okay, so everything looks nice. February, no, let's put it from September. And let's click on start. And that's it, and now it's running. As you can see, the robot is there. So I will skip the video and I will show you the final results here on the report. Alright guys, so I'm back. As you can see, the test is over with for Wall Street Forex Robot free. And so it's very simple. You have to choose here expert advisor or indicator. That depends what you are choosing. From here you are choosing the expert advisor. Here you choose the symbol, the model, every tick. So you can make test on every suggested here as a model. You can here you put the date. If you want to see the visual mode, but this will take longer, you can check this box, and from here you put it on the speed you want to. So in the on the expert advisor it will be lower than on indicator. On indicator is very fast. Here is the date from to. Here is the period if you want to put it on M1. So my recommendation for you is to test on all these time frames, or test it on the time frame that the producer said it's working the best. And here is the expert properties. Also you can change the expert properties here, but I will show you this in other video. Symbol properties, of course you can change it from here, and here you open chart, you will see the chart. If you want to see the chart how everything works, so you will see that here it placed a down trade, here an up trade, and so on. And here you can modify the expert. If you have the source code of that expert, you can modify it in MQL4 platform. So that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and let's have a look on the results here on this tab. You can see the results, and here we go. So we started from a balance of $10,000. By the way, you can change this also. And we have, as you can see, a losing trade. This one it's trading with 0.01 pips, but you can also set this the lot size inside the properties, which I recommend you to do it. But here, for the for the sake of this video, it's set it on 0.01. And as you can see, this is a losing trade, winning 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 trade, also winning trade, a lot of winning trade. As you can see, this one losing trade, winning trade here, winning, winning. This is losing, losing, losing trade, winning trade, losing trade, winning, 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 winning trade, losing trade here, winning trade again. So let's see the graph here. So this is the graph. So you see that is the graph for what was happening, maximal gross profit, maximal drawdown, and so on. And here is the journal. So that's pretty much is about how you can test an expert advisor or an indicator on MT4 platform. So now you know how to test all the indicators that I am reviewing, and you are able to download it for free on my channel. All right, so that was the video for today. I hope was helpful. If yes, you can give me a like, it will help me a lot, and also you can share this video to your friends. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. And this will be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and weekend also. Bye.